All right, in the laundry room with the gas cap cover for the C3 and the bezel and hinge mechanism. You open like that, and then that's popped shut. So this will attach via these 4 holes over here. And it goes like that. The thing is, I took the original screw. It's a 1024, right? However, they are quite short, as you can see. I think it's an 1/8 or a quarter, maybe a 1/4 inch. The hardware store only had these, which are like twice as long, obviously. So, being the cheapskate that I am, instead of ordering, you can get a set of 4 of these for $6. These all cost about $2. However, now I got to cut them. So the plan is put a nut on, sandwich this in between some sheet metal. I'm going to drill a hole in some sheet metal, put it in a vise, put this nut on the other side, and then I'm just going to cut it off and grind it off where the nut is, and that should give me a good length to screw into these holes. And aren't they pretty? I just chased them out with a, with this. It's just a tap and die set, but it worked okay, even though it has the point on there. I didn't need that much clearing out, just enough to kind of clear it out from the painting and everything. So that's all good to go. I'm going to go take care of these. I'll show you what I'm doing in a second. It's not rocket science, pretty basic, but I'll show you. This is my happy place, you guys. I'm at Franklin's Hardware. It's an Ace Hardware, but it's kind of independently owned and operated. And this place is it's exactly the way it looks. It's so well stocked. It's so well organized. Look at this. And the amazing thing about this place is that you can pretty much find anything. Today I'm here looking for a set of these little screws. But what's amazing to me is that when you open a drawer, like any drawer, just pick a drawer, what's inside is what it says. What's inside is what it says is inside, which is amazing if you've ever been to Home Depot. I like Home Depot, but not for this. So I'm going to size these. You know, they have these little handy sizers up here. Look at this place. Could it be any better? And then the staff is super helpful. So if I can't find it, I'll just go ask somebody, and it's just so amazing. A little envelope. Look at this place. Everything's neat and tidy. All right. Gonna find these right now. Just wanted to share one of my favorite places with you. If you're a car guy or whatever you're doing, a car person, and you need parts, if you're in LA, come to Franklin's Hardware on Ventura and Topanga. All right, here we go. Little hole. Cleaned it up a little. Put the nut on this side, like that, and then we'll chop it off. All right, there's one. We'll just clean it up and do the other 3. Here we are. Original chopped version. Now, I didn't clean up the ends yet, because if they go in, I'm just gonna pop them in, leave them in. They're only going in once, basically. But well, let's find out. Let's go right now. Would you look at that? Went right in, you guys. Can I do this with one hand? Yeah, so there we go. Nobody will ever know. And I can still take these out and put them back in, no problem. Yeah, should I chamfer the edge? Yes. But I'm gonna close this case right now. I do not recommend going to the hardware store and cutting down these little screws. Why? Just order the right size in the first place. I just got down there and they didn't have them, and since I'm compulsive, I just bought the ones that were too long. But you know, it's not worth it. For $6, just I mean, what did I save? $3? And I had to spend 10 minutes grinding on screws. Anyway, it works. Where's the little logo? Here we go. Oh, I told myself I'm not going to put any of these logos on until the car is done. But I could just hold it up there. I'm dreaming of the day. Not there yet, though. All right. See you guys later.